Injabulo yabantu ebebethamela umcimbi obanjwa minyaka yonke iMphe-batho Doroba Festival iphenduke usizi osinde kule ngozi uchaza ngakubona.
We were sitting not expecting anything. The first lightning came, but it was light, and then few minutes later came the big one. All I saw was just light, but I didn't hear it making noise because we were already frozen in the tent. All people in the tent got frozen, and then we fell to the ground. And I was with my young daughter. She's 8 years old. She's 8 years old. She got injured on her legs. She couldn't walk. I couldn't walk myself. My right leg was not functioning, and then my left hand also was not functioning. And then I got burns at my back.
Imindeni Yezisulu ezishone nezilimale kulesigameko zithi umonakalo ubungeke ube mkhulu kangaka ukube abezimo eziphuthumayo bafike ngesikhathi. Uhulumeni Wesifundazwe uyavuma ukuthi bezingekho izinsiza ezanele nezokuphepha kulomcimbi nokube imbangela ukuthi abantu bengatholi usizo lokuqala ngokusheshsha.
Our view is that every big activity there must be ambulances. There must be services that are provided to safeguard our people. There must be water so that our people are safe. But in this case, as we're engaging the mayor of Moretele, the challenge was that there were two main activities on the same day. And as the municipality, they don't have enough resources to can cater for two activities in a day.
Abahleli bomcimbi Imphe-batho Doroba Festival eNorth West bathi abanaso isiqinisekiso sokuthi lo mcimbi usazoqhubeka yini ngokuzayo kulandela lesi sehlo.